प्राथमीक चौकशी करतकर पुलिशेक जाय तशी म्हायती ना मेळिल्ल्यान विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्या आड हो FIR नोंद जाला. ACBक ह्या केशीत निर्णय घेवपाक कळाव लागला, मात हातूंत कांयच राजकारण ना. फुडली कारवाय कितें करपाची हाचेर ACB फावो तो थाराव घेतले म्हण मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर परबरेच्यान संजय मनोली.
It's a standard procedure. They probably have found disproportionate asset. म्हणून त्यांनी कारवाई केली.
So Congress has said raid as politically motivated.
No. Factual position. Does Congress refute factual position? Whether there is a disproportionate asset or not, I think ACB has taken a press briefing in which they have explained you what is the level of disproportionate asset.
Personally,
so they have. I don't have to monitor such cases. ACB will do their job.
So why delay, sir? इतना साल से क्यों ऐसा?
I think it has been explained to you. I was hearing his press conference.
आपको क्या लगता है कि इतना सालों बाद में एक FIR रजिस्टर?
मुझे लगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उनको डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करने में, ट्रांसलेट करने में काफ़ी समय लगा. थोड़ा मुझे इफ़ यू आस्क मी थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा ज़रूरत से. लेकिन आई फील दैट ultimately they have completed the probe, so now they have filed an FIR. Initially it was just a preliminary inquiry.
So do you think it is not a political motivated case?
No, why should it be political? It is a FIR based on facts. The facts are there. Is someone refuting the fact? He can give the evidence of it.
So आपको क्या लगता है कि बाबू का ऊपर ऐसा
किसी ने किसी के ऊपर इन्वेस्टिगेट करना, अगर उस प्राइमा फेशिया डॉक्यूमेंट्स ACB के पास है तो गवर्नमेंट का और ACB का कर्तव्य है. वंस यू आर डूइंग योर ड्यूटी, देयर इज नो रीज़न व्हाई अ पर्सन बिकॉज ऑफ हिज पोजीशन शुड बी एक्सक्लूडेड.
सर आपको क्या लगता है कि बाबू का FIR रजिस्टर हुआ है और वो MLA से रिज़ाइन करना चाहिए, ऐसा लग रहा है?
मुझे नहीं लगता है जब तक कोर्ट उसको गिल्टी ना पाए. Actually, the real this is just FIR is basically for purpose of investigation. Preliminary inquiry indicated, and that duly enough number of opportunities examination was done with the concern. They found that he cannot explain properly what is the reason for such a huge asset. See, basic fact remains that what he declared with Election Commission and what he has on his name differs by almost, if I'm not mistaken, some 500% almost. So more than 10 crores differences, around 10 crores differences there. So obviously preliminary inquiry indicated prima facie strong evidence in favor of the further investigation. That's why FIR has been launched, so that further investigation will be carried out.